Okay, now what is pronoun? Now the second one is pronoun. What is pronoun? As we can guess, we studied about the noun. Pronoun, which is used in place of noun. Pronouns are used in place of noun. Pronouns are the words which we use in place of noun. Okay, so there are 7 pronouns. There are 7 pronouns. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. I and we is first person pronoun. You is second person pronoun. Short form I've written P. Okay. And they are third person pronoun. So there are 3 person pronoun. First person pronoun I and we that I'm talking. You are the second person that I'm talking with you. You is the second person I'm talking with you. He, she, it, this is the third person about whom we are talking. So there are 3 person pronoun. First person is I and we, second person is you, he, she, it, and they. They are for singular. And third one is plural. They we use for the plural third person. So we have 3 person pronouns. First person, second person, and third person pronoun. Let's use them inside the sentence. Now pronoun, as I said, pronouns are used in place of noun. One thing else I should say, that why we use pronoun? In order to remove the repetition of noun. For example, when we make speeches, okay, so we cannot say the same noun again and again. In order to avoid repetition of the noun, we use pronouns. So pronouns are used in place of noun in order to avoid repetition, repeating again and again. For example, I will say, Kamran is a student. Again, if I should say Kamran plays football, it looks a bit awkward. So in place of that, we use pronoun. He is playing football. Okay, same, for example, she we use for the female, it we use for the things and animal, they we use for the person, plural. For example, we say Kamran and John read the book. Now, 2 nouns we have used plurals earlier. In place of them, we use they. They study hard. This is the third person pronoun. So you, we and you also we use the same thing. We are students. We play football. We are watching the movie. We are jumping from the roads. Or you is there. You are listening to me. You are looking towards the whiteboard. You are noting down the text. So this is the pronoun. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any kind of confusion, you can comment me below in the comment section. Your support is very necessary. Do subscribe my channel and do share my video with your other friends. Have a nice time.